Hello everyone, welcome back. We're gonna start with the first measure word, 股. 股 is used for counting for strength and smell. And it also can be used for counting a strand, like a strand of thread, or something that are long, such as a stream, like a water stream or river stream, that a continuous flow of liquid, or air or gas. Examples of 股 一股臭味 It means one. 臭味 means bad smell. 一股线 It means one. 线 means thread. 一股清流 It means one. 清流 means clear stream, like a flow of clear water. 一股清流 can have two meanings. The first one is just what it literally means. It's a clear river stream or a clear water stream. It is the first meaning. And the second meaning is that it's a compliment for a person, which means a person is very distinctive in a good way. Like if I say a person is 一股清流, which means I think that person is very distinctive in a good way, like different from other people, like being honest and pure. The second measure word is zhèn. Zhèn is an action measure complement, counting an action or emotion that persists a while in a period of time. The number put before zhèn can only be one. Let's see the examples. 一阵风 Feng means wind. 一阵子 means a while. Like if I say I wait for you for a while, then in Chinese we say 我等你等了一阵子了。我等你等了一阵子了。我等你 means I wait for you. 等了 means already wait. 一阵子了 means already a while. 一阵雨 雨 means rain. The third measure word is 口 is used for counting, first, the members in a family, or in a village, or in a community. And the second, it can also be used for counting how many times that you put certain food in mouth, or how many times you inhale the air. And third, you can use it for counting things that have an opening and the shape is like this character 口 itself, like the things have an opening. And 口 itself is an important radical, means mouth. So you can see the shape of this character 口. It actually looks like a mouth, but just a square mouth. We recommend you to remember this character because many Chinese characters come with this radical. So if you know its literal meaning, which means mouth, then if you see some words or some characters, you probably can guess those words are related to mouth or things that need to use mouth. Examples of 口 一口井 It means one. 井 means well. 一口气 It means one. 气 means breath. 三口人 三means three. 人 means person, but in this context, it means family member. If I say I have 4 family members at home, and in Chinese we would say 我家有4口人。我家 means my home. 4口人 means 4 family members. The fourth measure word is 声. 声 is used for counting how many times a person or a thing shout, groan, laugh, yelled, or scold. And you can see this character at the bottom of this character. There is a radical. This radical is pronounced means ear. So it's clearly this measure word comes with the ear radical. So what are the ears used for? You use ears to listen. So you can relate this measure word to this radical, that it has a connection. That this measure word is used for counting sounds. So if you remember this radical, that when you see this character and used as a measure word, it helps you to remember how to use it. Examples of 声 一声叫骂 一声叫骂 It means one. 叫骂 means shouting and yelling all together. 一声尖笑一声尖笑 It means one. 尖笑 means wicked laughter. 一声呻吟一声呻吟 It means one. 呻吟 means groaning. The fifth measure word is 轮 轮 is used for counting, usually for sun and moon or some things that are round. But most of the time we use this measure word to count for sun and moon. Second, and it also can be used for things or action that go rounds and rounds repeatedly. And this measure word, 轮 itself actually means a circular object that revolves on an axle and is fixed below a vehicle or other object to enable it to move easily over the ground. So 轮 means a circular object that can enable a vehicle or machines to run properly. 轮 is an object that is round. So you can see what are the objects that are used by this measure word, which are sun and moon. And sun and moon, they are round. So if you know the literal meaning of this character, it helps you to remember the usage of this measure word, which are used for round things like sun and moon, or things or action that go rounds and rounds repeatedly. Because you see a circle, there is no really an end. It's just round. It's a loop. So it keeps going. And let's see the examples. 一轮明月一轮明月 It means one. 明月 means bright moon. 一轮太阳一轮太阳 It means one. 太阳 means sun. 两轮谈判两轮谈判两 means two. 谈判 means negotiations. The sixth measure word is 球 is used for counting a scoop of ice cream. Examples of 球两球冰淇淋两球冰淇淋两 means two. 冰淇淋 means ice cream. The seventh measure word is 扇 is used for windows or doors or things have similar functions as doors and windows. Examples of 扇一扇逃生门一扇逃生门 一 means one. 逃生门 means emergency exit. 一扇窗 一 means one. 窗 means window. The eighth measure word is 堵 is used for walls. And there are other measure words that we've learned in previous episodes. That there are other measure words that can also be used for walls. These other measure words are 面 and 道. So these three measure words, 堵, 面, and 道, they can be used interchangeably for walls. Examples of 堵: 一堵墙 It means one. 墙 means wall. The ninth measure word is 顿 is used for counting meals. How many meals? And it also can be used for counting how many times of an action. The number you put before 顿 normally is 1 when it's used as an action complement. Let's see the examples. 一顿晚餐 It means one. 晚餐 means dinner. 一顿打 It means one. 打 means beating. 一顿骂 It means one. 骂 means scolding. The 10th measure word is 届 is used for counting organizational or yearly events or activities, such as annually sports events, and you use this measure word on the banner saying like second blah 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 event. So in Chinese, it would be 第二届 blah 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 活动。第二 means second, plus this measure word 届 after second. Let's see the examples. 第一届研讨会第一 means first. 研讨会 means seminar. Seminars sometimes are held like once in a year or once in half a year. So this measure word basically is like counting how many rounds that an event that have been held in the past to the recent years. 第二届校友会第二means the second. 校友会 means alumni association. 第八届毕业典礼第八means the eighth. 毕业典礼 means graduation. So that's it all for today. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, subscribe and like if our videos have helped you. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye!